If you are currently in need of auto insurance, it will be important that you take the time to select the right company that can provide you with the coverage you need without any issues whatsoever. There are going to be quite a few different options to look over when it comes to these businesses, which is why it will be so important that you spend an adequate amount of time looking into them before making a final decision of any kind. Another very important thing that anyone who is looking for auto insurance will need to know is how much coverage they will require. You will find that the amount of coverage you need will depend on a few different things, including how new your car is. Those who have a nice car that they want to keep for a while will definitely not want to skimp on their insurance coverage. In the event that you get into an accident, you will need to make sure that you can get the vehicle repaired without a massive auto shop bill. You should also keep in mind that your state requires you to have a minimum amount of insurance, so you will have to find out what it is before doing any of this research. Very few people should stick with the bare minimum required amount though, because accidents happen on the road all the time and it will be important to have enough coverage on your vehicle. Even if you have an older vehicle with lots of problems, you should consider getting at least a little bit more than what is absolutely required in the state you are in. One of the very best and most efficient ways to go about searching for the right company to get your auto insurance with is to go online and explore some of what the web has to offer. Considering all of the different businesses you will have to choose from when it comes to auto insurance, you will need to spend a decent amount of time looking around on the web to see what you can find when it comes to customer ratings and reviews. Those who take the time to look through these reviews should be able to find the right auto insurance company to go with. Those who need to get auto insurance will want to remember that it will be extremely important to carefully look over the contract which you are required to sign with the company you have selected. Make sure that you go over all the fine print when it comes to these contracts, as you will need to make sure that you do not get tricked into agreeing to something you are uncomfortable with. Once you have read through the contract, you can sign on the dotted line and get the insurance you need to drive around lawfully in your state. Just make sure to avoid rushing into a final decision as important as this one. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.